Hello everybody, Blessed Chick here. Today we're taking a quick peek at the SMALLElectric high-speed charge and sync cables. These are awesome to have. They're 3 feet long, 5 come in a pack, unbelievable price, and you can see here they're your typical for like an iPhone 5 and up, and iPad, different devices, and you just plug it into any USB adapter and you're good to go. I know I'm always needing extra charging cords all the time. We're a family of 4. We've got multiple devices. This is such a great thing to have on standby at any given time, in every room in your house, in the car, in your purse. So yeah, I definitely recommend this 5 set. They all work, every single one of them. Tried them all out, no issues. And these are going to come in handy for sure. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.